This is our journey, the most important journey of our time, beyond anything we have tried before. Let us bend reality to make the impossible possible. The vision is individual mobility reimagined. The mission is efficiency. It all comes together in the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX. Driven by passion and a pioneering team spirit, this car paves the way to a brighter future. On our electric mobility journey, we're breaking through boundaries, exploring new roads, challenging ourselves and others. Join us.
Welcome to 2022. I hope you had a chance to relax and recharge over the holidays. We did, and we have big plans for this new year. It's a year to show what our teams are truly capable of, reinventing the car as we know it. The Vision EQXX started just 18 months ago as a visionary technology program, advancing in ways we never thought possible. With the EQS, we brought the most aerodynamic production car to the road. And our teams didn't stop there. Creating the Vision EQXX, their outstanding engineering skills led to an even lower drag coefficient with a value of just 0.17. Such a small figure makes a big impact by getting more range out of each battery charge. Technology, design, aerodynamics, a radically new drivetrain, and all other measures combined deliver unprecedented efficiency. They led to an all-electric range of more than 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles on one charge, and without just putting a bigger and heavier battery in the car. Quite the opposite. The Vision EQXX is all about creating a holistically better electric car that looks stunning and futuristic too. I'm incredibly proud of what this team has put together on a very tight schedule. The Vision EQXX is a statement. It's the most efficient Mercedes ever, and it's a trailblazer which underlines where our entire company is headed. We will build the world's most desirable electric cars. Cars like this one.
What a fantastic opportunity to create a vision of the future and to define what the future of luxury will be. Our vision is defined by our way of luxury through beauty and the extraordinary. Through design, we set the stage for technology in all three dimensions of exterior, interior, and UX, and create an extraordinary X factor. For the first time, Mercedes is using a game engine to elevate the user experience to the next level of digital luxury. We created use cases and visuals never seen before in the car industry, and through this explore new possibilities to create extraordinary solutions, our X Factor. We transformed our zero-layer concept into a three-dimensional world using the map as an interactive menu. Our Mercedes Star Cloud avatar gives the car an AI-based digital soul that takes care of you all the time. In the interior, it's all about a free-floating one-piece display. This minimalistic and high-tech design approach echoes throughout the entire interior with lightweight seats as well as the free-floating center tunnel. New sustainable materials throughout the interior like